y'all, it's Utrice. Today I'm doing an unboxing. Tada is not with me, she's behind the camera. This is a little sad, but it's okay, because she's gonna be doing her unboxing tomorrow. So today I am unboxing my iMac. I got something. I think it's the base model. Retina display, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got an iMac. And yeah, I'm just gonna open it with you guys because I'm really excited. And I thought, why not open it with YouTube? Okay. So, okay. It comes with this little tab thingy. Okay, so up here we have the keyboard. Okay, you see that? And you just slide it out. Got the mouse right there. The keyboard. Wow. Yes, email me later. Period. So you have the keyboard. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side because that's not important right now. This thing is actually really heavy. We were taking turns carrying it around because that shit was heavy. Okay. Ah! So yeah, I've always wanted an iMac, but I could never afford it because I'm a broke girl. So shout out to my mama. Shout out to my mama. I'm blessed. Oh, okay. So in one of these things, it has the power cord, just like that. And then there it is. The moment of truth. This is it. Jeez. Wow! I just got the regular keyboard because, like I said, I'm broke, so this is what I get. Okay. Ooh. Never had an iMac. My dad has an iMac, but I don't know. Never unboxed it. So that's the keyboard. Pretty cute, cute, cute. Cute stuff, cute stuff. And then, oh. Then here we have, a little folder thing. That's in here. It says,
damn! It comes with a new charger.
It's for the mouse. So it comes with stickers.
But that's a charger.
Yeah.
Oh damn!
It comes with stickers. It also comes with a cloth so that you can clean your screen, which is pretty nice. All right, let's just tuck that all back in together so I don't lose it. Okay. And then also underneath that, it comes with a charger so you can charge your keyboard and mouse. Okay.
So you can charge your keyboard and mouse so you can plug it in.
Charge it. They're wireless. The keyboard and mouse are wireless, so you just need to charge them up and then you are all set. And then, oh, how could I forget? Mouse. This is the mouse. I've never been more excited for a mouse. Wow. Okay. So that goes like that. So we're just going to plug her in. Look, it's turning on! Wow. So pretty. We need to turn on our mouse, which is on the back. There's a little switch. Yeah, so we're just gonna flip the switch. And it shows a little green sign, so that's on. And then we're gonna flip this one on, which is here. Thanks, appreciate that. That's okay. Anyways, you know what to do. You flip that switch, and here she is. We are all ready to go. We are all set up. I'm just gonna set this up, and I'll be right back. That is it. My iMac is all set up. I'm so excited. I've always wanted an iMac, but you know I'm broke. So, but I had a MacBook, but We're not gonna talk about it, but RIP to the MacBook. But now my mom bought me an iMac. I paid some of it too before y'all come think I'm spoiled. I paid some of it, right? Okay, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you have an iBook. If you have an iMac, if you have an iMac, let me know down below what kind of iMac you have, or if you're planning on getting one. I've always wanted one, but today I have one. You know, dreams do come true. So thank you, and
See you guys in the next video.
Bye.